Hello, hello! Dr. Clif, your movement recovery specialist, and welcome back to Cubicle Fitness. This is our Monday morning routine where we set aside 5 to 10 minutes for ourselves in between those conference calls and other nuisances of the day we call work to take care of ourselves. Today we're going to do a quick ab workout that can all be done from the comfort of our chair. Now, you'll notice today that I'm in a different chair because it's a little bit safer if it doesn't have wheels on it. Now, I just slid my chair back a bit so it's easier to see. If your chair does have wheels and you can't lock them or something like that, you can still do these exercises. You just may want to push it back, against the desk or something else where it's less likely to slide on you. I'm going to do 10 of each exercise. And remember, as in the past, if you need to take a break or rest or skip something because it hurts, none of these should be painful. So first exercise we're going to do is marching with lifting your opposite leg. Sit nice and tall, pull in the muscles here in the middle, don't hold your breath, lift your leg up, lift your opposite arm up. Hold it for a second or two, and then switch. Lift the opposite arm and leg, pulling in the core here, lifting, down, lifting, down. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now that we're warmed up a little bit, we're going to work some of these oblique muscles on the sides here. There's ones that are a little tough to get to. So hands behind the head. You just kind of rest them here gently by your ears. We don't want you pulling on your neck because we know from some other videos in the past that the neck can be an area that's kind of a problem when we're sitting at a desk most of the day anyways. So lift the leg up a little, just like the marching. Then bring the elbow toward that knee on the opposite side. Hold it for a second. Then back down. Then turn the other way. So you're bringing that elbow down towards the knee. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, doing great. Remember, if you need to take a break, you do. 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now we're going to work those lower abs a little bit. You may want to sit back in the chair so you have some support for your back. If you want it to be a little more challenging, you don't need to. You can sit near the front of the chair. And then we're just going to lift both legs up at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, somebody turn the heat on in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to hit that lower oblique area. We're going to do the 2-leg reverse crunch like we just did, but you're going to turn a little bit to the side and kind of pull up at an angle like this. 1, 2, this is why you don't want your chair sliding on you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Then you roll to the other hip, or slide in your chair. Not really roll, hopefully. And then lift up on that side. 1, 2. If your hips are a little weak and tight, you might feel it up here in the hip flexor too. That's okay as long as it's not painful. Probably good to work it as well. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, sit up nice and straight in the chair. We're going to do one more exercise to work our abs a little bit and to help open up our chest here, because we know that's always a bit of a concern when we're sitting hunched over the keyboard all day. So place the hands behind your head again. See how we're opening and stretching all this, just getting into this position. And if this is painful, bothers your shoulder or something else, you know, just put your hands kind of by your ears or down here in front of you even, but ideally behind your head here. Nice and tall, open, wide. And then we just turn to the side. 1, turn the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Shake everything a little. If you're enjoying this video and you are new here, please consider subscribing. It's that red button down there in the corner. If you've been here for a while and you're enjoying these and you're like, Cliff, there's some exercise I'd like to do in the morning, but I don't know how to, strengthen my big toe, and I'd like to do that at the office. Leave a comment down there, and it's likely that it'll be a future video. Whatever you're looking at working on, we can work something up. One more bonus exercise. This one was famously done by Jack LaLanne often. It works your arms tremendously, but it also works your core. Need a nice sturdy chair. Definitely with this one, the chair cannot move. And this is only if you found the rest of this stuff fairly easy. You just hold your legs 90 degrees at the knees, 90 degrees at the hip. Lift yourself up and just hold yourself up here. Well, maybe 10 seconds, let's say. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Have a great start to the work week. Or if you're doing this in the middle of the week, that's even better. I'm glad you're back. Have a great middle to the work week. And remember, until next time, life is a strength sport, so get stronger and get living.